Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Tech Chiller. Today I just want to do a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Samsung rugged protective cover for the Galaxy Note 9. Now, I typically enjoy rocking my phones without a case. You see I don't have one on right now here for my Note 9, but you know, accidents happen no matter how careful you are. And I've been looking to, to put something on there that protects it, but is also stylish, as I guess most of us are looking for. But sometimes that could also mean adding some more bulk. But there are different options you can go with, from skins to TPU cases that are really thin. In fact, this is the first case I got. I got this off Amazon. It wasn't very expensive at all. I believe it was less than $10. It's a little bit flimsy, but it's actually a very similar pattern to this rugged protective cover from Samsung. It probably does not protect as well, definitely doesn't from the front, but it's actually pretty nice since it's clear. It shows the nice deep ocean blue, and this thing here kind of looks like a Prada logo, but I don't know, it says VRS on it. Anyhow, let's get to this. So this is probably going to be a pretty brief video. I picked this up at the T-Mobile store. It's also available at Best Buy, on Amazon. I may or may not leave a link in the description. We'll see if I remember to do that. So this thing it's nice. First of all, I like the metallic looking finish. Obviously it's not metal. It's a plastic finish, but it's extremely rugged. I think it was certified military grade in some kind of testing according to Samsung. So definitely thick to it without adding any extra bulk. So that's pretty cool. Let's peel this thing off and get the case in here. That sticker actually had little instructions on how to best insert this case. Obviously, we all know how to insert a case, but okay, so here it is. Obviously very easy to get onto the phone. And I'm not crazy about the gray borders. There is a black version of this case that's actually, from what I saw, was not completely black. It was more like a sort of a gunmetal gray, close to black, but I felt like the silver complements the blue a little bit better. But obviously with any black or gunmetal or silver, I mean, you're talking about neutral colors that will match anything. But here it is. I'm not going to drop test it or anything, but you know what? Obviously it fits snug. It fits very nicely. You can see there's a cutout here for the microphone. I'll have to test and see if it affects people the way they hear me or anything like that, but from everything I've read, it doesn't. The cutouts are absolutely perfect, as you'd expect from an OEM case. S Pen here, cutouts for everything else, all the different ports, giving it plenty of room too. It's not like just a small cutout to just barely fit any of these ports, but plenty of room added there, and the S Pen can take out easily. I would say you probably need a little bit of nail to do that, but my nails are clipped and it was easy to take out, so no problems there. And how does it feel here? Well, I mean, it's not gonna feel like you don't have a case on it, obviously, but it doesn't add too much bulk. I have to say that it looks like it would add more bulk than it does. Again, you're not gonna mistake this for a phone without a case, but I think it's pretty cool too. It's pretty stylish for a case. I don't know. We'll see. Leave your opinions in the comments section below. But you see, you've got some decent front protection here, a lip on the top and the bottom, so you have your phone face down. The screen will not be touching the surface, so that's cool. If you don't want people to see what's on your screen, no problems there. Your screen will not get scratched up. And of course, on its back here, that's probably how I'm going to use it, just because I like to have my always on display within full view. So that's it. That's the rugged protective cover from Samsung for the Note 9. This is in silver. Before we go, let me just test out this kickstand real quick. Works as you'd expect. No wobble or anything. You can also Set it this way, and it works as well. All right, that's it. Leave a like or subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next video.